Hi, and welcome to this edition of the Rugged Rundown. And this week we're going to talk about what I really think about the Getac S410 semi-rugged laptop. And well, let's get right into it. So some of the things that I really like is I like the size of the mouse pad. Take a look here. The mouse pad is large and gives you plenty of room. It's still resistive, but it's not as resistive as, say, the CF31. Mouse buttons are a nice size. And again, the keyboard is really nice. I like the keyboard. It's responsive, it's backlit, and you can change the colors. Those are all nice features of this S410. And of course, you know, we got to take a look at the handle. The handle is nice because it molds to your hand when you pick up the laptop. And this is a nice comfort feeling whenever you're carrying it around like this. It's also lightweight. It is a semi-rugged, so it's not as heavy as your fully rugged. And those are some things I really like about the laptop. Some things that I don't like. There's only a couple, believe it or not. And one of them is these port covers. They do not have a legit hinge whenever you open them up like this. It is just a plastic connector that connects it, and that is the hinge. So if you flex this enough, eventually that's going to tear and this port cover is going to fall off. They could have done a better job on the port covers, in my opinion. Another thing I don't like about this laptop is simply cosmetic. If you scrub the top of this laptop too much, this paint will rub off easily. So if you get scuff marks, so that means that scuff marks and things like that will appear pretty readily on the cover in S410. Those are two things I really don't like about this unit, but it has nothing really to do with the functionality. Overall, it's a great choice of semi-rugged. Its competitor, the CF54 or the FZ55, it stands up in its class. Well, that's all I got for you this week. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week.